You notice there's a button down here in the lower left-hand corner that says Set Up NAPA Supplier. The NAPA coverage list cannot be downloaded through that automatic downloads. It is not out on the web anywhere. It actually gets distributed by Epicor in their media, whether it's on the DVDs or it's in the downloads that are coming from the web. In order to get that NAPA coverage list to update, we just need to tell it, well, here is the NAPA supplier that I'm working from. Now, in my case, I don't have any updates scheduled, but in order to kind of fool it, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to tell it that here's where we're going to find the DVDs. And then now I can come in and say, here is the servicing NAPA distribution center for my NAPA facility. Meaning it's not every NAPA store in the country. It is, here is the servicing DC. So when my NAPA store gets a shipment, here's where it comes from. And again, we select that NAPA supplier. And if you'll notice, I'm going to jump back into Smart eCat. What it does is it creates a coverage list in Smart eCat that matches the naming convention in that window we just saw. So let me come back out here. Let me find myself a part number again. So, and it would help if I could type. That's going to not return me too many results. But so we came back up here and we did our search. What you'll notice is my coverage list for NAPA is called NAPA-Atlanta_GA. And that's the same exact syntax that was in that window there. So the first time that it loads after we've selected that NAPA supplier, that coverage list gets created in the system. And that's the one we want to use for NAPA to make sure that as NAPA adds new lines or changes their assortment, we continue to have the most updated coverage list to pull from.